This is one of my favorite plants because of the green and yellow leaves. It just adds color to my garden. Would you believe that I have already grown a lot of plants from these two mother plants alone? Today I will show you how I do that. First, cut the branches that you want to regrow. I really wanted to cut all these branches because these mother plants have grown tall already. I just want to keep them small. But don't worry, I'm not cutting them all. There are still beautiful branches left. See? Next, remove some of the leaves at the bottom part of the branch. This will help the branch grow roots faster. Then, stick those branches in pots of soil. Then water the plant. It is but normal for these plants to have some discoloration at the bottom part of the plant, because they are still growing roots. Don't worry, they will fall off naturally and then it will continue growing beautifully.